Maybe you are learning to use the computer system on a brand new Gethel harvester, or perhaps you're getting acquainted with the computer on an older one. Either way, there are lots of different features that you're going to want to learn, and we're going to go through all of them in a series of Technion tutorial videos here at TrackGrip. But for today, let's talk about renaming your profile. I'm completing this tutorial in the office using a simulator that is equipped with the standard 8.4-inch screen that requires the use of the navigator to input all commands. If you have the upgraded 12-inch touchscreen, feel free to interact with your screen directly to speed things along. Once you have turned on your system and it has finished booting, the first thing that you're going to see is this menu. Now, you might only have one default operator profile here. You might see some others like the service and owner that are on my screen. If you look at the service and owner profiles here, you'll see that both of them have a key next to it. This means that they are password protected, and you can't actually access either one of those profiles without a password. The owner is typically the owner of the machine, and service is always left under password protection because this is how a technician can come in and fix the system should something go wrong at your work site. Today, we are going to look at the default operator profile and how to rename it. Using your navigator, make sure that the default operator option is selected and hit OK. The message that says keep opening the head and press OK appears. If you don't know which control opens the head already, then you can actually highlight the skip option and go past this. What you're looking at now is the main screen of the xLogger computer system. We'll go over all the different aspects on this screen in future videos. Today, what you need to be concerned with are the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. This is your main menu selection. So with your navigator, you are going to hit OK, and you're going to open the main menu. Now, depending on your level of access, you might have a lot of options on this screen, and you might have very few options on this screen. Once again, we're going to go through each of these different menu options in a future video. Today, we are going to be concerned with the operator menu. So you're going to select that with your navigator, and you're going to hit OK. If you do not see the operator option in your main menu, it's because you have not been assigned a user level of at least 3 or higher. In order to check what your current user level is, scroll down to the last menu item, which is available regardless of what level you've been assigned, hit OK, and it will tell you what your current user level is. You are now on the operator screen. You'll note that the exit option in the top right corner is currently highlighted in red. So you're going to hit down on your navigator twice to reach the second level of options in the operator menu. Then you're going to hit the right arrow on your navigator to highlight information. Use the down arrow once to highlight the operator name field and hit OK. This brings up a virtual keyboard that allows you to rename your profile however you see fit. For the sake of this video, we are just going to delete the default operator title, and we will simply name this profile TrackGrip. Once you are done, you move your cursor over to the Enter button, and there you have it. You have renamed your profile. Now, if you work your way back through each of the menus by hitting the X in the top right corner of your screen, you can then go down to the operator where it now says TrackGrip. You can log out, and you will now see that default operator has been renamed to TrackGrip. And that's how you rename your profile on your Gethel Harvester's Technion xLogger computer system. If there are any tutorial videos that you would like to see in the future, make sure to let us know in the comments. Otherwise, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.